What's up, guys? John with Diesel Dallas, guys. I haven't really been on YouTube explaining what we do here at Diesel Dallas. We are located in downtown Dallas, 1316 West Commerce. We offer engine work, transmission, performance work. We also do big lifts. We're actually a preferred any level lift kit installer. Wheels, tires. We're on the paint match, guys. So if you ever need any paint match, get with us. Power coating in-house too. Everything in-house. Today I have this 2009 Ford F-250. We just put a motor in it. This truck actually came from Ohio. Customer called me that he had a broken down truck. So we sent a carrier to pick up the truck. We put a rebuilt motor. We gave him a 1-year warranty. It is a twin turbo 6.4. I'll show you the motor. Everything is clean, ready to go. Thank you for all the support. Everybody out there, you know, supporting Diesel Dallas on Instagram. You can follow us on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. We're really big on TikTok. So we've been test driving it. We put like, I think a couple of 100 miles on it to check everything. Basically, we just drive the truck around, check everything. The 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, AC, heat, basically everything. No check engine lights. I hate lights on the dash. I mean, this truck is running perfect. It's excellent. You know, some people hate the 6.4s, but to me, man, I think the 6.4s pull the best. They got two turbos. They got a high turbo and a low turbo. Sounds good, and I think we're ready to turn this bad boy in. We are actually pulling up at the shop. We got several trucks. I'll just kind of show you a little round real quick. I'll show you a little round. There's a 6.0 right there. Actually, we bought this truck. It only had like 60,000 miles and ended up selling to one of the guys in the back. Harley Davidson F-250. Whew. There's that sound. So I got this 2026 Ford F-250. We're gonna start building this one. This one's actually gonna go with the any level. 30-inch wheels, American Forces. This one I think came in for some tires. We're about to put new tires on it. This is a 2019. Came in Monday. We put a DCR pump from S&S Diesel. The guy wanted to secure it, make sure his fuel pump would be good. So they have a lot of issues with these pumps on the 17 to 20. So we ended up putting a brand new pump, a DCR pump. This one's ready to go. Here's another one right here. This one just came in. It's a 2022 Silverado, has some def issues and we end up fixing the def issues. She's ready to go. And this one's a 2025, our current giveaway, which is about to end. I think it's in February the 16th, which is Monday at midnight. If you haven't got your entries, make sure you get them. They're actually limited entries. There was some entries that did not get sold, so we're gonna just end it that day. We're gonna call it the quits and let's get ready for the next one because I got a next one. It's insane. So guys, if you need any work, let us know. Get with us. Like I said, send a DM. I'm John, or you can talk to Frank, my brother. Y'all have a good one.